Today we're going to see Austin unbox his toy car. It's called Lamborghini. And now, Austin, hold up your car here. Yes, Lamborghini is so big. Yeah, and 23 plus A. Yeah, it's a model. It's kind of a speed compact car. It's a Lamborghini. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. Austin unbox his car. Austin, say hello. Yeah, hello to our friend. Yeah, say hello. Hello, our friend. Say hello, our friend.
Hello.
Okay, now let's see him unbox his car. So it's so nice. It's what color is it? What's color of your car?
Hello.
Yes, yellow. And what is brain? Is brain? It's Roy. It's what is name? What is name? It's Lexus, Roy, or is Lamborghini? Yeah, it's a Lamborghini. So let's see. He's going to unbox it. Okay, our friend. Let's see. Yeah. Hello, kid, boy and girl. Let's see it. Right. Okay. Say hello, our friend.
Hello.
Okay, so yeah, you're going to unbox it, right? Yeah. Okay. Open it. Yeah. Oh, which one? No. You have to do like this. Which part of it that we can open? Yeah. Yeah. We open here. Here. Yeah. Here the sticker. Okay, the sticker. You see it? Let Daddy to help you, right? Okay, wait a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Daddy going to help you, right, to cut it. So okay. Here, let's come out. Yeah. Okay. Open. Yeah. One more. Okay, let the Daddy help you. Okay, wait a little bit. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Pull it up. Open it. Okay. Oh, that's that. Okay. Yes. Wait. Yeah, to cut it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. One more. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Now, let's open it. Yeah. Pull up. Pull up. Yeah. Oh, wait a little bit. Okay, move it out. Pull out. No, 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 no. Pull out, pull out. Yeah, here. Move out. Okay. Wait. No, no, no. Wait a little bit. Wait. Austin, wait. See? Look. Yeah, now Austin open the box already. Yeah, the car box already. Okay, and here you see. Yeah, it's nice racing car. And here we call, hold up. Yeah, we call what is called remote control. Yeah, remote control. And here the Lamborghini is what color of the car is yellow. Yeah, it's yellow car. Okay, now and here's it's blocked, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's blocked. We open it already. Okay. Yeah, open it out here. Yeah. Okay. And it's the speed racing car. Yeah. Okay. You see that? Yeah, it's look beautiful, so nice. Okay, now Justin, hold the car. Hold the car. Yeah. Hold the car. Yeah, hold. Okay. Yeah. And now the car is in the car is in Austin's hands. Yeah, and Austin, he tests. Yeah, he tests. Yeah.
Put on the floor.
Okay, and hold it up and move it around. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, look. So nice car. Yeah. Everyone really love it so much. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's a good car here. The bottom of the car. Yeah, it's look wonderful. Okay, now put it back. Okay, and here the remote control, right? Yeah, when yeah, hold it, Austin. Yeah, when okay. Yeah, when we want to remote, you want to control the car, so you need the battery. Yeah, we need the battery here. You put the battery. Okay, now put the battery in the remote control here. We need the two battery. Okay, so yeah, here the battery. So let's put it here plus. No. Okay, let we put in this way. Okay. Yeah, Austin, put it. No. It's minus. Yeah, great. Oh, close it. Close the cover. Okay.
It's wrong.
Yeah. Okay. It's not in order, so you put in the order. Okay. Put that. Yeah. Push it. Yeah. Good. And we also need the Lamborghini need the battery also. Okay. Here the battery. Oh, we need the screwdriver. Yeah, to screw it out, and then we Yeah, and here the screwdriver. Yeah, so we screw it out. Yeah, screw it out to put the battery in. Yeah, to power it up. So open. Austin, take the battery. Yeah, no. Austin, put it in. You have to see here. The bottom of the battery is minor. You have to put with the spring here. Yeah. So and you have to put like this. Okay. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Put it. Okay. Now screw it in. Okay. Okay, screw. Put. Austin, screw in. Okay. Austin, screw it in. Yeah. Okay. One more. Yeah. It's locked. Yeah. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, let's test it. Okay, now don't make it.
What?
Huh? What? Yeah, it's moving here. Okay. Stop, Austin. Stop it. Stop. Now let's test it. No. Austin, you sit over there. Okay. Sit here. And now let's test it. Oh, it's moving. Turn back. No.
Yeah.
Move back. Yeah. Stop. Move forward. Turn left, turn right. Yeah, it's working now.